Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange, a local Chicago tech. I also do Zoom diagnosis of problems on online. So give me a call if you have a problem, and I do on-site stuff. So I'm rebuilding an M&R Renegade cylinder. Sometimes these are they're on every press. So here we go. So I put a new seal in right here, and so the most common problem with air cylinders is that there's air going past this seal, and it's called pass-through. So it's a major problem. So you either have to rebuild it or buy a new one. So if I hold this, it should be very hard to move. Okay, and I hold that, it should be harder to move as well. So I mean, this is how you test it. And if your choppers are easy to push in and push out, then you have a problem when there's air pressure to it. It should either be up or down. You should be able to pull it or push it up. So see, it's hard to move. That one's easier, but once I get the top on, it should be fine. So you just have to find the right O-ring and order it. Like my video and continue watching. These are expensive, and they're getting harder to find, but M&R still does source them. So take care of them and put good air quality in there. If you have water, turns into rust because the tanks are not get rusty inside. So now you're sandblasting your air cylinders and your valves. So good air is always required. So, and you should always have your oiler dripping. So those are the common problems with air cylinder and such. So thank you for watching. Let's continue on to the next video. Bye.